Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you this afternoon?
We are good. How about you?
I am fine too, so thank you. Okay, Iji boy, can you lead the prayer? Everybody, please keep quiet. Okay, before you take your seats, please pick up some trash and some mess under your chair. Okay, take your seat, ma'am. Who is absent for today? Okay, very good. Keep it up. So before we start our discussion, let me ask first, what will the students do when the teacher is discussing? What else? Yes?
Raise your hand. Bukan Tatasan mo kamot kung gusto ko man.
Okay, when you want to ask question or you want to answer, you just raise your right hand and ask and tell your teacher or your classmate about your question or your answer.
Respect each other.
Okay, good. So, can I expect that from you, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So now, class, who among you here can recall our last topic? Anyone? Yes, Janina?
It's all about solving quadratic equation by completing the square.
Very good. So, who can define quadratic equation? Anyone? Yes, Ralios.
A quadratic equation is an algebraic equation of classical degree in x in which standard values ax plus bx plus c equal 0, where a and b are the coefficients, x is the variable and c is the constant.
Okay, very good. So, it seems that you already understand our previous topic. We will now proceed to our next topic. But before that, we will have first an activity. So I will now group you into 6 groups. Can we count from 1 to 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1,
4, 5,
6, 1, 2, 4,
5, 6.
2, 4, 5.
So there you boys.
5, 1, 2.
3 is the last number. So group 1 and 2 and 3 will stay here and 4, 5, and 6 will be here. Go to your group in 5 seconds. 5, 4. The first group and form a circle will have an additional 5 points. Silang verse na naka-form. So listen. So since you are now in your group, I will go to your topic. So listen, everybody. The group who is very noisy will have a deduction. Okay. Since you are now in your respective groups, I want you to name your groups according to planets in our solar system. So, group 1 will be Mercury, group 2 will be Venus, group 3 will be Earth, group 4 will be Mars, 5 will be Jupiter, and 6 will be Saturn. So, am I understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here a broken heart. Our activity for today is called fixing a broken heart. What we are going to do is to fix this broken heart by matching each side to make it as whole. So after fixing the broken heart, a magic phrase will appear, and the first group who can write the phrase here in the board will have another additional point. So am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? One representative only. Don't open yet. Okay, are you ready to fix the broken heart?
Yes, ma'am.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start! Okay, group 3 is done. So what's the phrase? Just write your word. Write your word. Okay, stop now. Stop, everyone, stop. The group who got the correct answer, the first one to solve the puzzle is the group 3. The group Earth. So, clap your hand for group 3. 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. Based on our activity class, Kyle, can you sit down? Based on our activity, what do you think is our next topic?
I think our topic today is solving quadratic equation by using quadratic formula.
Okay, so our topic for today is all about solving quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So, here are our objectives that we need to meet in this discussion. Zach, can you read the objectives? Zach, can you read the objectives? Can you louder your voice?
At the end of the lesson, students must be able to A. Explain the process of solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. And B. Integrate the concept of quadratic equations to everyday life. And C. Perform the process of solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula.
Thank you. So, what is quadratic formula? Althea, can you read?
The quadratic formula helps us solve any quadratic equation. It can be expressed through negative b plus negative overall b, negative or ac overall b.
So the quadratic formula helps us solve any quadratic equation. It can be expressed through x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So what are the steps in solving quadratic formula, or how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula? So Yuna May, please read.
quadratic equation in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c was 0.
Next.
Identify the values of a, b, and c. Write the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then substitute in the values of a, b, and c. And simplify.
Okay. So, we have here an example. Example is x squared minus 5x is equal to 6. So what is the step 1? Find the a. Write the quadratic equation in standard form. So write the quadratic equation in standard form. So how to write the quadratic equation in standard form? X squared, copy the equation, 5x minus 6, add. In order to make it in standard form, we should make it equal to 0. So, add negative 6 here and this side also. So, negative 6 plus x squared minus 5x is equal to positive 6 minus negative 6, 0. So, arrange x squared minus 5x minus 6. So this is equals 0. So this is the standard form. Now that we are done with the standard form, what is the next step? Identify the values of A, B, and C. So who can identify the values of A, B, and C? Okay, so Margie.
A is 1, B is negative 5, and C as negative 6.
Okay, very good. So step 3. Write the quadratic formula. So we have here already the quadratic formula. Now we will move on to step 4. Step 4 is the substitute the values of A, B, and C. So i-substitute nato siya sa values sa A, B, and C. So nanatay quadratic formula. X is equal to negative B plus minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. So substitute. What is the value of negative B or B? What's the value of B? Negative 5. So copy the negative sign here. It should not be gone. Plus minus. Negative 5 squared minus 4 1 times 6 over all over 2 times 1. So next step, the last one is the simplify. So we're going to simplify the equation. In simplifying equation, we should not forget the PEMDAS method. Do you know what is PEMDAS? So what is PEMDAS? Kathleen? Do you know what is PEMDAS? Okay, Jory.
PEMDAS means parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, and addition.
Okay, thank you. So, negative times negative 5 is 5. Copy ang plus and minus. The square root of negative 5 times negative 5
5 minus
minus 4 times 1.
1 positive.
Positive, negative. Positive. So, negative 6 and positive 4 over 5. 25 plus 24? 49 over 5. 0 to 49? 7 over. Now we're going to find the value of x. So, x is equal to 5 plus 7 over 2. 12 over 2. So equals 6. X is equal to 6. Other one, x 5 minus over 2. Negative 2 over 2. X is equal to negative 1. So the answer for the equation x squared minus 5x equals to 6 is, the x is 6 and the other one is negative 1. So we will now try it in using a real life problem, or we will apply the application here in real world. So Arden threw a ball to his playmate. So the height of a ball is given by x squared minus x plus 7. So where x is the horizontal distance in feet. So the given is x squared minus x. You can solve this on the board. X plus 7 equals 0. So, what is the distance of the ball from the ground? Okay, anyone? Okay, Dory, explain the answer of the lawan. For those who are not answering, can we observe the process? Okay, Dory, can you prepare your
solve quadratic equation, first write the quadratic equation standard form like x squared minus x, I get x plus 7 equals 0. Then second, identify the values of a, b, c. So ang a niya is 1, b niya is negative 8, and c niya is 7. Then pang-katulad is write the quadratic formula. Trianic. Then x equals to negative b plus minus square root by b squared negative 4ac all over 2. Then, step 4, substitute in values of a, b, c. So, ang value sa b is negative 8. So, copy ang 8 din ma'am. Then, sa isa ka negative, then plus minus square root. Then, ang b is, ang value sa b is 8. So, patay mo din negative b squared minus 4. Copy na 4. Then, ang value sa a is 1. Then, ang value pa sa c is 7. Then, ang all over 2, ang value sa 2 is a, 1 is a. Then, pagkahuman, before, then, ang una nimong isolve is sa tunga. Kani mo siya i-times mo na diri sa tunga. Then, 8 times 8 equals 64. Minus, then, copy na minus. Then, 4 times 1 equals 4. Times 7 equals 28. All over, 2 times 1 equals 2. All over 2 diri. Then, ato na sa step 5 out. So, diri naman na sa so, iba na gilawang dili lagi minus. So, 94 minus 28 equals 36. X equals 8 plus minus square root by 36 all over by 2. So, perfect square sa 36 is 6. So, ang gilawang dili yan. So, sabi ka ma'am, yung iba tayo niya pag-solve. So, 8x plus minus 6 all over 2. So, para naman with yung dito nga diri ha. So, mahinan mo sila. So, 8x plus, so x equal kay x equal 8 plus 6 all over 2. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Then, copy that 2 all over 2 is, answer niya is 2, 7. Then, sa mga dua is x equal by 8 negative 6. So, answer niya is 2. Then, divide mo na yung 2. So, answer niya ma'am is x7, x1.
So, did you get the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am!
Okay, so now that you already know how to solve quadratic equation, by using quadratic formula, let's write it with the same group. So, same group. So, everybody, please read. So with the same group from the problem. Ma'am, what is that? Wait lang. Ano ba yung ng kanan? Your timer starts now. The first group, yes. The first group who can answer the and who can tap their answer to the word first will have another additional point. Cooperate with your group. And prepare one representative to explain your answer.
One or 9 times. Plus din yung dali.
Okay, those who are not participating will no longer go in the don't write your roommates who are not participating.
Hindi siya kayo, no?
Where's the group 4? Take your time. Give me what's that? If you're done, please keep quiet.
18 negative. Share.
Prepare a representative to explain your answer. Sa respective na area, tama ng group order. Okay, the fun is done. So, the first group who is done is the Jupiter. So, who can explain from Jupiter? Reading ko. Oh, listen everybody.
So x squared plus x 8x minus 9 equals minus 0. So ang iyang the first is identify the values of a, b, and c. So the a is 1 by the x squared because it is constant by indivisible 1.
Listen.
So b is 8 and c is negative 9. So and the second is I write the quadratic formula. So x equal negative b plus minus then square root of this squared minus and minus of negative 4 and a and c. C. So, sabi niya kay 2. So, yung one is x equal negative 8 and plus minus so x 64 plus 36 not and by 2 then equal ang isa kasi is equal negative 2 plus minus then by 100 then square root 100 then so mga copy na siya by copy siya so diri is balik na siya by minus and plus and minus so x equal negative 8 plus 10 over by 2 so x equal 2 over by 2 because so negative man siya plus 10 so yung answer is 2 over 2 so divided na siya sa opposite niya so we got x equal 1 the same time therefore is x equal negative 8 minus 10 all over by 2 then x equal negative 18 because it's negative so plus na siya then over by 2 so divided na siya which is negative 9
May kulang sa answer ni Nico. Nila sa Jupiter. Okay, ang kulang silang answer is ang answer sa question which is the find the original speed of the bicycle given the equation by x squared plus x minus 9. So what is the original speed of the bicycle? Kulangan siya. Okay, isa ang group ang only the group 2. Plus 3. This is a word problem. Dapat ihatag po di mo kung unsay gipangayo dira dili kay dito lang ka answer sa equation. So let's give Jupiter group a 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. So did you know that quadratic equation is also part of our daily life?
Yes, ma'am.
So who can give me an example of using quadratic equation in daily life? Is anyone? Yes, Bisinga?
Ang quadratic equation na sinagamit siya sa engineer para calculate of area then para before sila mag-start o ka ng mag-remove project.
Okay, thank you. So, quadratic equation is part of our daily life because it is very crucial in our survival. It can be used in calculating, like this, it can be used in calculating speed or in calculating the like area or the profit. So now, class, what is quadratic formula? What is quadratic formula? Who can give me the quadratic formula? Anyone? Yes. Monte?
X equals negative b plus minus 0 b to power of 2 minus 4ac over 2a.
So this is the quadratic formula. So who can give me the steps in solving quadratic formula? Yes. Okay.
Step 1. Write the quadratic equation.
Step 2. Who can read that? Okay.
Identify the values of A, B, and C.
Step 3. Galiandro.
Step 3. Write the quadratic formula.
Step 4. Yes. Silverio? Or Charvida? Okay. Can we louder your voice? What is the step 4 in solving quadratic equation by using quadratic formula? Okay. Yes, Jelena.
Then substitute the values of A, B, and C.
Last step, Gabriel.
Simplify, always use in plus method now.
Okay. Simplifying the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula, always use PEMDAS method or the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So for the next activity, answer this individually. But before that, go to your original station. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1/2 crosswise. I will give you 5 minutes. Answer silently. Okay. Answer. Why are you not answering? Three minutes left. finish. Okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pass your papers in front. Finish or not finish? Let's check your papers. Okay. Pass here in front by line. By column. Tingnan ko ulit na. Pass your papers by column. Column.
Ay, amin.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Are all papers change? Distribute. Pass it to your classmates. Okay, who can answer number 1? Yes, Barrios. Number 2, Gusami. Who can explain number 1? Jory. Okay, Tika, number 2. Okay, tanawang papel sa inyong classmate. Tanawang ba? Okay, so Assignment, study the nature of roots of an equation. For our next topic.